If you do any kind of crafting, DIY, leatherwork, jewelry making, etc., you need to see this. This entire cordless rotary toolkit is under $30, and it's honestly way better than I expected. This is the Hardell mini rotary tool, and it comes with 55 different accessories, all neatly packed in this plastic organizer, and the whole thing fits inside this nice zippered carrying case. For under 30 bucks, this kit feels way more premium than it should. You've got sanding belts, polishing wheels, engraving tips, little cutting discs, and more. And all the good stuff for working on wood, resin, plastic, leather, and even glass. It's compact, cordless, and has 5 different speed settings so that you can control how aggressive or delicate it is depending on the job. And one of my favorite things, it's got a built-in LED that turns on automatically when you power it up. It lights up the exact area you're working on, which is actually super helpful when you're trying to see small details or working in a shadowy corner of your workspace. Also, it's USB rechargeable, so no cords are in the way, no weird charging docks, just plug it in just like your phone. I've used this for cleaning up 3D prints, sanding the edges of leather wallets, engraving small designs into wood, and polishing up some jewelry. And it handled all of that no problem. Just don't expect it to slice through metal like a Dremel on steroids. It's built for finesse, not brute force. But for the small detail work or beginner DIY projects, this thing is kind of perfect. And again, under $30, you're getting the tool, 55 accessories, and organized in a case with variable speeds and a built-in light. I spent more than that on one grinding attachment before, so this whole set feels like a steal. If you're just getting into crafts, or you want something portable for detail work, the Hardell Rotary Toolkit is seriously worth checking out. It's easy to use, well organized, and doesn't take up a ton of space. I'll go ahead and put my Amazon affiliate link below. Also, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more leatherworking content or tool reviews. And make sure to check out my leather goods at puredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.